Thank you for clicking in. Today's video is going to be talking about how to get you in to the Catalyst admin account and all of that goes with it. So first off, why would you even want to go into Catalyst admin? It's a new feature that launched at the end of 2024, and it is supposed to help you as the administrator get more comfortable and access different features of the Catalyst platform from within the Catalyst platform. It does have a new updated look and feel. It's a whole lot easier to use than what was existing, and it helps kind of streamline and save some time in here. And there's some also cost benefits to doing this as well. It's 3 easy steps to kind of get you into that admin experience. If you don't already have an administrative account purchased, you can purchase that on discprofile.com. If you do already have an existing admin account, you're able to just go ahead and send yourself a Catalyst profile. And then once you complete that, all you have to do is sync your Epic administrative account to your Catalyst. So for step 1, if you don't already have an Epic administrative account, you are able to purchase that on discprofile.com, and we do make that pretty easy for you on the site as well. So you'll click on that buy option up in the top right there, and then you'll go into admin accounts, and there's a couple different options, but that Catalyst admin account does come with about 6 profiles. If you do just need that right out the gate, you're able to purchase the 6, or you can add additional profiles to your cart. You're able to go ahead and do that checkout process. And then what happens afterwards is the customer service team will get an email to go ahead and create that account for you. Once your account is created, then you're going to log in and you're going to go ahead and send yourself a link via that Epic administrative account. And so the process to do that is that once you're in that account, you'll go ahead, you'll click on that manage reports, create new report. You're going to select your product as the everything disc. Language is English, and we'll go ahead and click next. And then you're going to go ahead and create an organization. This is where you want your profile to live in the Catalyst world. If you do not have an organization, you can absolutely create one. You're able to put in a city as well as a logo in there, so it's a little bit easier for you to identify, especially if you're working with multiple organizations. And then you go ahead and add that organization. You decide what content you want your profile to have. Management and Agile EQ do cost a little bit extra to get those modules, but they're available to you. And then if you want to organize your Epic administrative account, you can do so with some folders. You're able to have Epic help you a little bit if you are sending out more than one code to just beyond yourself. You can specify a date and time that you want those out. And then in the add respondent section, you're going to enter in your email and your name. And then you'll go ahead and click on that add button, and you're going to check that box and you're going to assign those access codes. It's going to prompt you and tell you how many credits will be deducted from your Epic administrative account. You'll click OK, and then I recommend sending a custom message along with it. You can create whatever information in here that you like. This is something that's going to be included in that email. So just kind of getting in the habit of always entering in some information there. Maybe when do you want to complete it by, who to contact if anybody has any questions, and a project name. These are nice things to put inside that email. And then once you're ready, you'll just click OK, and it's going to give you that green bar that says the action that you've requested has been completed. And then what happens after that is that you get an email to the email address that was entered. And so you're going to get an email that's going to prompt you to experience everything disc on Catalyst. The note, it appears down below there. And then when you click on the create your account, you're able to enter in your email address. This is creating your Catalyst account for your profile. So you're able to go ahead and enter and confirm your email, enter in a password for yourself, and go ahead and make sure these are things that you're going to remember, because you're going to need to use that information later. So you can launch straight into the Discology, learning about DISC, or you can go in and take the assessment. When you do that, it does bring you into a little bit of an information piece, tells you it's about 20 to 30 minutes to complete the profile. You're able to enter or skip the demographics if you would like to. And then you'll get taken into that questionnaire. It does, like it said, take you about 20 to 30 minutes. You'll just kind of walk through these options here. Strongly agree, strongly disagree, or those options in between. answering a few questions at a time, and there is a progress bar up at the very top. So you're able to kind of see how you're going, how far you're into the process. And then once you're done, you're going to get launched into the Catalyst platform. Now, this perspective here that we're looking at is for the learner specifically. So we haven't quite made it to that admin portion yet, but this is what it's going to look like as a learner. They're able to connect, compare with a colleague, build a group, get advice. And then as they scroll down that page, there's some additional learning modules as well. And then the last step is to sync your Epic administrative account to Catalyst. So we're going to log back into Epic one more time. We're going to go under that personal options and we're going to click on my personal settings. And then we're going to, in that function to perform drop down, we're going to click on synchronize my Epic and Catalyst users. We're going to go ahead and enter in that email and that password that we just created to complete our profile. And then we're going to click sync users. And then the next time that you do log into your Catalyst, you're able to see this piece up in the top right next to your name that's going to say go to admin. And then once you're there, it's going to prompt you to walk through some different options and click on some different organizations. And then you are able to toggle back and forth between being an administrator and being a learner. We are going to be putting out some additional videos and some micro learning pieces on Catalyst admin, so feel free to check those out. But for now, thank you very much for tuning in, and we on the DiscProfile.com team are always happy to help you. So if you do have any other questions, feel free to reach out, phone or email, and we do have direct lines in both US and Canada. Have a great day.